Hey everyone, just a quick video review here of the TAPTES floor mats for a 2021 7-seater Model Y. As of now, there aren't too many options for mats on the Model Y 7-seater, especially for coverage on the third row. For reference, my specific Model Y here was manufactured in July 2021. It has a large biohazard HEPA filter under the frunk, and it also has the updated seat risers, which I know is something that can affect how well some of the floor mats fit. These are all-weather floor mats, and the set includes the driver, passenger, second row, and third row. Here's the driver side floor mat, and I've had no issues with fitment. We can see here that the mats fit under the updated seat risers just fine. This is an area that I've seen some mats have issues with fitment due to the change that Tesla made with the risers on the newer models. I've had these in use for almost a month now. Here is the passenger side floor mat. Similar to the driver side, no real issues with fitment. As you can also see, it tucks in well under the seat risers. Here's the second row floor mat. They provide full coverage for the entire second row as expected. It has a nice lip around the edges, which should help contain dirt and spills. This area probably gets the most wear in our car, with the kids and passengers getting in and out. Finally, here's the third row floor mat. The third row is already a bit tight, but great fitment with the mats. This should provide some protection for the floor back here. We occasionally have kids sit back here, so it definitely helps with the cleanup. So overall, these are great all-weather floor mats, especially since there aren't very many options for the Model Y 7-seater right now. I like that there are no logos. They are also easy to install, great fitment, and are easy to clean. Again, I've had these in our Model Y for almost a month, so it's still a bit early, but the quality seems good and no issues so far.